Okay, in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the key features of Quick Search Auto, the application that I've been telling you about, that we hope will help automotive dealerships find pre-owned inventory that they can purchase. So we'll start out on the search screen. Gives you the ability to select search a specific state, city and state, and then you can set a radius. For instance, for your situation, we would go with Georgia, and then Adel. And since Adel is a smaller rural town, probably just go out to 100 mile radius. And you can set your minimum and maximum for your model year, your ask price, the maximum number of miles that the vehicle has, title status. The title status field only works for Craigslist. Neither AutoTrader nor Cars.com allow you to filter by the title status. And then optionally you can set a specific make, you don't have to. You could set a make and a model if you wanted to. And then that's the basics. The bottom fields have to do with which listings, which results the app determines are a good match. I'll go ahead and show you. I ran a search for Adel, 100 miles, models 2000 through 2014, clean title. Set the price range from $1,000 up to $20,000, and I set the maximum mileage to 120,000. So we'll just view that. You'll see all of the results that are green. Those are listings that the app thinks will be a good match that you could possibly purchase and turn around and make a profit. You can see, I know, excuse me, one thing that you asked for or you suggested was that we needed to be able to return the NADA trade-in value because that was what the bank uses. I did add that feature. The initial search, it still gets a estimated trade-in value using Edmunds, what I recommend you do is go ahead and delete all of the results that are not close as far as their trade-in value. So we can just highlight all of those. There was 256 results in this search, by the way. So we'll just highlight all of the ones that are outside of the range and then just delete them. And then what we got left are listings that are at or close to your target trade-in value. But for each individual listing that you are interested in making an offer or contacting the owner, what you'll want to do is look up the NADA value to make sure that it's a prime candidate, so to speak. So what you would do is hit the edit button, and from the edit screen you can change the valuation from using Edmunds to using NADA. Then all you have to do is set a trim level. Let's see, this is a Highlander Sport 4-cylinder, so we'll go in here. It's likely a 2-wheel drive. Doesn't say it's a limited or an SE, so we'll just go with the the base two-wheel drive model. When you hit save, it's going to go out to the NADA website and calculate a new trade-in value. Give that a minute to finish. Okay, so the new NADA trade-in value is $20,300 compared to an asking price of $19,750. So we've got their asking price is $550 under trade-in. It's got 33,000 miles. We've got a VIN, so we know that this is a accurate listing. So at this point, if you're interested in this vehicle, you can click the email icon here to bring up to send them a message. The application has a template system where you can custom design, messages that you can send out with one click. For instance, I've added a buyback email template where it basically tells them that we're interested in their car, bring it in, we'll give them top dollar for it. And I also added a contact count feature. As soon as you send an email, it's going to increment this value so that you know which listings you've contacted and which ones you haven't yet. Obviously, if you pick up the phone and give them a call, it's not going to know. So I've added, if you call them on the phone, just click this column and it'll add a number. If you don't get through, you want to remove that, you just hold down Control and click it again. And that's pretty much it. I think this application will be a key tool to help dealers have an inside advantage to some of these vehicles and not have to go to the auction as much.